Welcome students, welcome back to your online classes. And first of all, happy belated Lohri and happy belated Makar Sankranti. So after the festive season, now let's again start our studies. What we are going to do today is we are going to learn today's English grammar. Which chapter is going to learn today? We are going to learn today's again English grammar. And in English grammar, we are going to learn our remaining chapter, which was chapter number 4, opposites. What was that chapter? That was the chapter number 4, opposites. And this is the second part of the video. This is the second part of our video. So what we had read about the opposites before, that those words which opposes the meaning of the another word is known as the opposites. Those words which opposes the meaning of the another word is known as opposites. So with the help of this definition and the previous description, we are going to do the more book work today of the chapter 4, opposites. Okay. So today we are going to do our remaining book exercise, which was learn to write. And in learn to write, there is the first topic. There is a small story whose name is The Joy of Exercise. The Joy of Exercise. I'm just hoping that this story will very interesting and you will learn something from this story. So let's begin with our story. Raj was a glutton. He loved to eat a lot of sweets. And oily food. He was very fat and day by day grew fatter. He was very fat and day by day grew fatter. But his parents never stopped him and allowed him to eat whatever he wanted. I'm going to repeat this paragraph one more time. Raj was a glutton. He loved to eat a lot of sweets and oily food. He was very fat and day by day grew fatter. But his parents never stopped him and allowed him to eat whatever he wanted. Now, the next paragraph. One day, there was a medical checkup in the school. The doctor informed the teacher that Raj was overweight. I'm going to repeat this again. One day, there was a medical checkup in the school. The doctor informed the teacher that the Raj was overweight. Next is, the teacher in turn advised Raj to reduce weight. His classmates laughed at him by calling him fat or piggy. The teacher in turn advised Raj to reduce weight. His classmates laughed at him by calling him fat or piggy. Next is, Raj felt very sad and firmly decided to lose weight. From that day onwards, Raj started doing exercise regularly. It was no doubt tiring. I'm going to repeat it again. Raj felt very sad and firmly decided to lose weight. From that day onwards, Raj started doing exercise regularly. It was no doubt tiring. But Raj did not give up. He ate less sweets and chocolates. Raj did not eat even if his mother offered sweets. After 4 months, Raj lost weight and became healthy. But Raj did not give up. He ate less sweets and chocolates. Raj did not eat even if his mother offered sweets. After 4 months, Raj lost weight and became healthy. His friend did not make fun of anymore. His friends did not make fun of him anymore. He was no longer as fat as before. To keep himself fit, he continued with his exercise. So, what did you learn with this story? Raj was a boy who was suffering from gluten. Gluten is a kind of disease. Okay, so he was suffering from a gluten, and but he loved very much to eat sweets and the oily food. He was very much fat, so he was growing fatter and fatter by day. His parents can't able to stop him, so they just allowed him to eat everything whatever he wants. Then what happened? One day there was a regular checkup in the school, and when Raj checked up from the doctor, so the doctor informed his teacher that he is overweight. So his teacher was worried, and in turn the teacher advised Raj to reduce the weight. And Raj's classmates also bullied him by laughing at him and calling him with the bad names like fat or piggy. He felt very bad after listening these bully words, and he firmly decided to reduce his weight. And what he did, he started to do exercise regularly. But as you all know, exercise is so tiring, but he not stopped. He not give up on the exercise, and he still doing exercise after so much tiredness. And he also eat less sweets and chocolates. And Raj did not eat even if his mother offered the sweets. If his mother gives him sweets or offer him to eat anything, he can't eat anything. So after finally 4 months, finally he reduced his weight and became healthy, and that was a very proud moment for the Raj. And after that, his friends did not bully him anymore, and he is not longer fat and not be unfit anymore. So to keep himself fit again, he continued the exercise. So we also have to do exercise regularly and keep ourselves fit. So with the help of this paragraph, what you have to do, you have to do the following exercise which is given below that paragraph. So the first exercise is take the correct answer and write it in the blanks. You have to take the correct answer and write it in the blanks. So the first question is, Raj was a dash. Raj was a dash. So the first option, fool, gluten, wise. Raj was a fool. No. Raj was a gluten. Yes, he was suffering from gluten. So write down GLUTTON. Gluten. Raj was a gluten. Raj was a gluten. Tick on the second one. Gluten. Okay, GLUTTON, gluten, and write it also in the blank in a neat and clean handwriting. Then the next is, Raj was dash. Overweight, thin or handsome. Raj was overweight, thin or handsome. Raj was overweight. Write down in the blank, OVERWEIGHT. Overweight. Raj was overweight. Raj was overweight. 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 Tick on the first one and write down in the blank. Then the third, Raj started doing dash regularly. What he had started doing regularly? Exercise, homework or yoga? Exercise. Raj started doing exercise regularly. Write in the blank, EXERCISE. Exercise. Raj started doing exercise regularly. Raj started doing exercise regularly. Tick on the first one, exercise, and then write in the blank. EXERCISE, exercise. Then the next one, question number 2. Question number 2 is, give the opposite of the following from the word in the passage. You have to give the opposite words of the following words, and you have to find these opposites from the passages. Given passage. So first is thin. So the opposite word of thin is fat. F-A-T, fat. F-A-T, fat. Okay. So write in the blank for thin. F-A-T, fat. Second is enemies. Write down friends. Write down friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Next is third, happy. Next is happy. Write down sad. S-A-D, sad. S-A-D, sad. I'm going to repeat all of the three again. Thin, F-A-T, fat. Enemies, F-R-I-N-D-S, friends. The opposite of happy is S-A-D, sad. S-A-D, sad. Then the next is unfit. Next is unfit. So the opposite of unfit is F-I-T, fit. F-I-T, fit. Write down fit. Next is more. The opposite of more is less. L-E-S-S, less. L-E-S-S, less. The opposite of more is less. The opposite of more is less. Then the next is ended. Then the next is ended. The opposite of ended is next is ended. Next is ended. And the opposite of ended is started. Opposite of ended is started. S-T-A-R-T-E-D, started. S-T-A-R-T-E-D, started. Next is answer the following. Then the next question is answer the following. First question is, what did Raj love to eat? What did Raj love to eat? Raj loved to eat a lot of sweets and oily food. Raj loved to eat a lot of sweets and oily food. Now the question number 2. What did the doctor inform the teacher? What did the doctor inform the teacher? Answer is, the doctor informed the teacher that Raj was overweight. The doctor informed the teacher that Raj was overweight. What did the doctor inform the teacher? The doctor informed the teacher that Raj was overweight. Then the question number 3. Why did Raj feel very sad? Why did Raj feel very sad? So the answer is, because his classmates laughed at him by calling him fatty or piggy. Because his classmates laughed at him by calling him fatty or piggy. Why did Raj feel very sad? Because his classmates laughed at him by calling him fatty and piggy. By calling him fatty and piggy. Then the question number 4. What did Raj decide firmly? What did Raj decide firmly? Answer is, Raj firmly decided to lose weight. Raj firmly decided to lose weight. What did Raj decide firmly? Raj firmly decided to lose weight. Raj firmly decided to lose weight. Then the question number 5. What did Raj do to reduce his weight? What did Raj do to reduce his weight? Answer is, Raj started doing exercise regularly. Raj started doing exercise regularly. Okay, Raj started doing exercise regularly. Then the next question, last question. What happened after 4 months? What happened after 4 months? Answer, after 4 months, Raj lost weight and became healthy. After 4 months, Raj lost weight and became healthy. After 4 months, Raj lost weight and became healthy. So this is all about the chapter number 4, opposites. Till then, thank you so much and have a nice day and study well. Do this work in your book in a very neat and clean handwriting. Till then, thank you so much.